Hello friends, yesterday I saw a beautiful girl. I was laying on my bed and suddenly I got up from my bed and I came out of my house. Then suddenly I saw a girl sitting in front of my house with a cell phone in her hand, and I was struck by seeing her at my first glance. She was too much pretty that I wanted to talk with her. Sometimes when you see a beautiful things from a distance, it looks very beautiful, but when you come close to that object, perhaps it is not as beautiful as you are seeing that from a distance. So I wanted to go close to her and I saw that she was making some allusion. I was not understanding her allusion. Perhaps she wanted to say something to me, but there were some other people in my house, and due to that fear that other will judge, she was just making the allusion, and I was continuously watching her, seeing her from the distance. And when I went close to her, then I saw really she was pretty, and she was perhaps my acquainter, and she was not saying to me anything. I was thinking that she wanted to say something, and I also wanted to talk with her, but some family member were seeing me, and I was this fear that if I would talk with her, then other will judge me. They will perhaps say me that perhaps I am making some contacts with that girl, or perhaps I am asking for a cell phone number. So I did not talk to her, and she also did not talk to me, but we both were seeing to each others, and she was saying something in allusion, and I was also saying something to her in allusions, and at this point she stand up, and she stood up and went away, and I was seeing her for a long time. So this was the story. This I was telling you this story. This is not the real story. This is fabricated story. I have just made this story. This incident not happened. I just made this story. That with the help of such kind of stories, you can improve your English language. Sometimes make in your mind a plot of a story that you will speak on such a topic. When you will speak on such a topic, then I think that you will translate that thing in English language, and first you are thinking in your national language that on such a plot I will speak this, on this story I will speak English language. When you will speak in English language on such stories, then I think that these stories have interest. Because when I was talking about that girl, you were watching this video with interest, because you have an interest in that story. So I think that you can improve your English language with the help of stories. Especially if you are a beginner, then you can watch or listen to stories of children's, some cartoon stories, very beautiful, where the English is used in very smooth way. Don't listen or watch stories in difficult English language, then you will face problem while understanding. When interesting stories, because with the help of interesting stories, you will improve your English language very soon. So develop this habit of listening the stories and then uttering the stories. I think that in future you will speak very good English language with the help of stories. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other subjects. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.